You can ensure the optimization of programs for drilling, contouring, pocketing, roughing and finishing with SwudCAM for woodworking and furniture design. Fundamentally, SwudCAM facilitates the programming of custom and complex toolpaths as a 2.5 to 5 axis CNC software solution that integrates seamlessly with SolidWorks, so any design changes are automatically reflected in toolpaths without needing to modify or recreate programs individually. These toolpaths can be exported directly to CNC machines to help you streamline your manufacturing process. Drive multiple CNC machines from respected brands to manufacture more efficiently from a single source of truth, your SolidWorks CAD models. SwudCAM can be purchased separately to Swud Design and Swud Nesting and offers control and flexibility to those manufacturing their own products, especially for companies with access to flatbed or pod and rail CNC machines. With SwudCAM, up to 90% of required operations in any given project can be automated, and automatic feature recognition provides opportunities for their optimization. From drilling to 5-axis roughing, contouring to finishing, SwudCAM can facilitate efficient manufacture as one access point for multiple different machining operations, and serves as a foundation for working with the Swud Nesting bolt-on module. Designers and engineers trust SolidWorks and Swud to inform their design decisions, and as part of the Trimec Group, we support them throughout their product development journey. Learn more about each Swud product in demonstrations around our website, or book your own private demo to see how Swud can help you reduce costs and enhance your design process.